Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, I will be covering the topic about ordered pairs and the coordinate plane. In our previous episode, we already studied what coordinates are. This time, I will be explaining how is the position of a point represented on a plane. In the previous episode, I explained the position of these points on a number line. Okay, this point or the coordinate of this point is 0. The coordinate of this point is negative 40 and this point is 20. Okay, now we have another point here. How are we going to represent the position of this point? To represent the position of this point, we need to draw a vertical line that would be perpendicular to this horizontal line and it passes the origin. So if it's vertical line that's perpendicular to this line and it passes the origin, then that vertical line is this line. Okay, let's name this horizontal line X axis, this vertical line as Y axis. Okay, let's also label the same numbers. Okay, this is 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, what about here? This is negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40. Okay, now, let's find the position of this point. Okay, let's say this is point D. Okay, in this horizontal line or x-axis, the position is 20. Okay, what about in this y-axis? So the position is 40. So if we will write the coordinates of point D are, okay, 20, that is our x-axis, and in the y-axis, it's 40. These two numbers are what we called ordered pair. And from the word order, we have to write first the coordinate in the x-axis, followed by the coordinate in the y-axis. And another important thing that you have to remember about ordered pair is, okay, do not swap or interchange the coordinates. Because if you do that, then you are referring to another position. Okay, so what is then a coordinate plane? Okay, when we say coordinate plane, it must have this horizontal line or what we call the x-axis and this vertical line or the y-axis. And we have here different points. Okay, let's name the ordered pair for these points. Okay, let's start with point A. So in this horizontal line or x-axis, it's 3. And y-axis is 4. So the coordinates of A are 3 and 4. So this is the ordered pair. Okay, what about for point B? So for x-axis, that is 4. And y-axis is 0. So the coordinates for point B are 4 and 0. Okay, let's go to point C. So here, for x-axis, that's negative 4. Okay, what about for y-axis? It's negative 2. So the coordinates are negative 4 and negative 2, or the ordered pair is negative 4 and negative 2. Okay, let's go to point D. So x-axis is 0 and vertical 1 or the y-axis is 3. So the coordinates are 0 and 3. So this is the ordered pair. Okay, this time, let's give more example by answering this concept check question. When representing the coordinates of points A, B, C, and D on the coordinate plane, so this is our coordinate plane, there is an x-axis and y-axis. We're going to fill the box with the correct numbers. Okay, the first one is point A. So where's point A? Here. So in the x-axis, it's 1 and y-axis is 2. So 1 and this is 2. Okay, what about point B? Where's point B? This point. So in the horizontal line or x-axis, that's negative 3. And y-axis would be 1. So this is negative 3 and y-axis is 1. Okay, let's go to point C. Where's point C? This point. So in the x-axis, that's 0. What about y-axis? It's negative 3. So this is 0. These are 0 and negative 3. Okay, what about point D? Okay, what are the ordered pair or what is the ordered pair for point D? So for x-axis, that's 3. And what about y-axis? It's negative 4. So 3 and negative 4. So the ordered pair is 3 and negative 4. Okay, this time, let's answer the simple problem. When the two ordered pairs, 2a minus 6, 2a minus 1 and 6, and negative 5 and 2b are equal, what is the value of a plus b? Okay, 2a minus a and 6 and negative 5, negative 2b are equal. So it means 2a minus 1 and this is 6, negative 5, 2b, with these two ordered pairs are equal. It means 2a minus 1, that's equal to negative 5. And we have here 6, and this is equal to 2b. Okay, let's solve for this one. This is an equation. So 2a minus 1, negative 5. So 2a, negative 5 plus 1. So if we will simplify, this is 2a is equal to negative 4. And to find a, so a now is equal to negative 4 divided by 2. That would be negative 2. So a is negative 2. Okay, let's find b. So 6 is equal to 2b. So divide both sides by 2. So that means b is 6 divided by 2, 3. So b is 3. Okay, what is the value of a plus b? So it means negative 2 plus 3, then this is equal to 1 or positive 1. So the value of a plus b is 1.